Hey everyone, so today I'm going to unbox our August themed monthly sub that was just shipped out. We call our monthly sub the monthly edit because I like to send items where we can refresh our planners every month. So let me show you what's inside. What I'm going to show you right here is the complete subscription kit, but in the description box below, I'll explain the differences between our various options. So if you subscribe to the full kit, you get this package of vellum and cards and stickers. I'll show you that in a minute. Then you also get our sticker kit, which is themed for the month. And then you get a mystery item, which is this underneath. So this is a mini tote bag, and I'll open that in just a second. But first, I want to show you guys the sticker kit. So like I mentioned, this sub is themed for August, and I always think of back to school around August time. So the sticker kit is loosely based on back to school. I know not everybody is in school right now, or you might not have kids that are in school. So I intentionally did not name it back to school. I did back to work because students are back to work in their education. But then also I feel like summertime is a time where we're kind of more relaxed. We're going on vacations or staycations, and we're kind of like in that vacation mode. And then once summer ends, we kind of get back into work mode. So that was my thinking with this. Plus, just office supplies is always fun to do. So if you subscribe to our sticker kits, you get a freebie, and the freebie is specifically themed for back to school. And so it just has a little chalkboard that says back to school and some like school supplies. This is sheet A. So I know back last month when I released the July kit, I had formatted it a little bit differently. I gave less icons and like bigger deco, and I got mixed feedback on that, so I decided to do a compromise where I added back some more icons and I made the clip art still bigger than usual but not as big as July. So hopefully everyone likes this compromise. So you have your hand lettered sticker here, and then a bunch of clip art deco stickers, a bunch of circle icons. The headers are across the bottom, and then these are skinny washi strips, and I like to use them for marking off like series of days on my monthly calendar. Sheet B are the full boxes, so you get 8 full boxes. 2 of them are blank, so you can write things in there, or sometimes I like to add some of this deco in the boxes. And then you have 4 headers for 4 weeks of the month, and then some mini flags. I always like to mention that the boxes are more narrow, so they can fit in the Hobonichi Cousin weekly columns, as well as other planners that have like smaller columns and spaces. Sheet C are quarter boxes, half boxes, and checklists, as well as some two-tone labels and more circle icons. Then sheet D is the washi strips. So this is actually on washi paper. So our sticker kits, you can request white sticker paper or transparent sticker paper, but both options come with sheet D on washi sticker paper. So it feels and behaves like washi as far as being very easy to tear with your hands or with a straight edge. So you get 8 strips of washi. This is how thick it is, and it's the grid pattern like you see in the kit. So I decided on a grid pattern just because like graph paper for school, I thought it had that kind of vibe to it. So that's our full sticker kit. If you subscribe to our mini sticker kit, you get the same back to school freebie, the same sheet A, and then you get a third sheet, which is sheet E. It's a combination of sheet B and C. So you get full boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes, two-tone labels, and mini flags. So that's for our mini sticker kit. In an upcoming video, I'm going to show you how I use my sticker kit. I like to use my kits in my Hobonichi Cousin. You might have saw this already in one of my recent videos, but here is how I used my kit for July. So on my monthly spread, I like to use a full box, header, washi strips, circle icons, and then here are those thin washi strips to mark off a series of days. And then in my weekly spreads, I like to use the half boxes and some of these boxes from sheet C, like these, here to build my sidebars. So here's the upcoming weeks. I'm not showing you the previous weeks because I haven't had time to go through and cover any private information, but here's the upcoming weeks. So that's how I like to use my sticker kit in my Hobonichi Cousin, and then whatever I don't use I keep in the back pocket of my Hobonichi Cousin, so then if I need any stickers throughout the month I have them handy right there. So those are the sticker kits. And then I wanted to show you guys this little package here. So this is the base of our monthly edit subscription. The sticker kits are kind of like add-ons. So if you just get the base or any of the combos with the sticker kits, then you'll receive what's in this package. So first, of course, you always get a calendar card. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys, I set mine up for August already so I can give you an example. I clip the card right here, right inside my financial section, and I use this to mark our different paydays. So the dark ones are my paydays and the gray ones are my husband's paydays, and it just helps me when I'm budgeting to see what days we're getting paid. So that's how I've been using my card, and I find it super helpful to have it there. And then next is a bookmark. So like I said, the sub is August theme, which is kind of like loosely back to school supplies, but also planning and reading, like all of those kind of things. So I thought it'd be cute to do a bookmark. So the color is kind of like an ecru or light taupe color with black printing on thick cardstock and blank on the back, and it just says new day, new chapter, which I thought was really cute. I decided to use mine in my Hobonichi Cousin here to mark my daily pages because I was using this little tab here, but I would have to move that tab every 2 days, and I don't know. I thought it'd be easier to just use a bookmark, and so since I had these made, I thought it would be cute to mark my place in my Hobonichi Cousin. And then I made a sheet of planner stickers. So previously in the shop we had this sheet. So this is available in the shop to buy a la carte, and they're basically all ring planners. So I decided to do a 2.0 version, and these are other types of planners like traveler's notebooks, Hobonichi weeks, spiral planners, even iPads and discs. And these planners are kind of like book-bound planners or Hobonichi Cousin. So that's my nod to planner season. And then lastly is this vellum. I decided to do a book vellum. I thought it was so cute to go with the theme. I know a lot of us love to read, or we like to track what we're reading, and so this is cute just as a dashboard or inside our reading logs and stuff like that. The way I'm going to use mine is right in my planner. What I've been doing is here in my daily section, I keep it here because my inserts have a front and a back, so I cover up the page that's opposite of my current day, and then I use this kind of like a dashboard. I keep a sticky note here for notes, and then any other stickies I can stick here and just have it handy as I'm looking at my day, and it just has a really cute background. So I thought that was super cute. And then lastly is our mystery item, which you already had a peek at, which is a mini tote bag. So this is how it looks. It's black canvas, white printing. A popular bag in the planner community and even outside of the planner community is the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag. And then they started making a whole line, the duffel bag, and I forget, the clutch and stuff like that. So I thought it'd be really cute to make the planner bag. I wanted to do a tote bag because of the back to school kind of vibe, but I didn't want to do a regular tote bag. So I thought this was a cute take on it. And it's just a small tote bag that you can use to hold your accessories. It has a small pocket on the back, and it's just open on the inside. I don't know if you guys could see with this lighting, but let me show you guys a couple ways I use it. So I have this one already packed with my sticker file and my pencil pouch. So it's big enough to hold some of your planning essentials. And then another way I was using it is, I don't know if you guys saw on Instagram that I've been taking my daughter to the pool once or twice a week just to get her out of the house, but I am working there. So I use this bag to bring my iPad and my planner and my phone. And it fits everything in here really nicely. And so I just carry this around the pool area like a nerd. And I'm sure everyone's looking at me like, what the heck? But it's super cute. And I think it's just a great size for just the essentials, you know, small enough to also put inside of other bags. So I have a bigger tote bag or my backpack that I carry around the pool that I can just slip this inside so it keeps my stuff together but also protects my planner. So yeah, I hope you guys like this bag. I was really excited about it. I think it's really cute and fun because of the Marc Jacobs theme. So yeah, that's it. These are all the items that were in our monthly edit for August. This sub is now closed because it already shipped. Extras for this sub will be listed next week on Friday, July 12th at 12 noon Pacific. I'll put all the information down in the description box below. Spots for our September themed sub are now open on our website. I'll also link that down below. If you have any questions about any of our subs, feel free to leave a comment or send me an email, and I'll be sure to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.